Hey everybody, I'm your professor for Bio 11, Professor Stevens, and I am quite excited to be guiding you on your journey through this biology course. Biology is a big passion of mine. I think it's a really important subject. I think everybody should know this content that you're going to be learning, and I wish that they all did. I wish it wasn't just a non-majors course, but like required high school course or something like that. These topics are extremely relevant to your lives. We'll cover things like overall health and well-being, climate change, nutrition, mindfulness, COVID-19, just to name a few, and more stuff, ecology, things that are really, really critical. And then like urban birds, we'll start out with that. And I know many students have really enjoyed that subject in particular. This course is fully online. Probably not a surprise at this point, given our COVID numbers. And we don't have any scheduled online meetings as a class. Please understand though, this is a rigorous course. Do I look scared when I say that? Because I feel scared. When I didn't put the course together, but I compressed the 15 weeks of content down to 5 weeks for the winter course. It's as much work. So normally we would say, please expect to spend about 12 hours a week working through course material, doing activities, completing assignments, and interacting with other students online. However, because this is 5 weeks, everything is tripled. So expect to spend like a full-time job, like 36, I think I put 30 in the content, but really like, 30 to 40 hours a week just doing bio. So if you have a family, young kids, if you have a job, if you have like a brand new romance or something that's going to take up a lot of your time, please do yourself the favor of opting to take this class in the regular semester that's 15 weeks long. It is plenty challenging then. But unless you are extraordinarily well organized, extremely self-motivated, and absolutely committed to succeeding, don't do this to yourself, okay? There is so much work. I think the work is great. I think it's very well planned out. I think it's really helpful and useful, but in 5 weeks, it's a lot. Anyway, so here's where I'm now supported after scaring you, right? Even though we won't meet face to face, I want you to know that I am here for you, which is the truth. I am dedicated to you feeling good about biology and about yourself, which might mean taking the course in the regular semester. Please note there will be lots of communication from me via Canvas emails, via announcements, via comments on your assignments, so make sure to read those, okay? I expect that you will have read those. If you don't know how to see the comments on assignments, say something so I can show you how to do that. The best way to contact me is to send a Canvas message through the Canvas inbox, so not sending it to my regular PCC email, but through Canvas. And then please understand that you will get the most out of the course. In fact, it's all designed if you work through the modules tab. So when you open up the course on Canvas, you want to go to modules, and that's how you move through the course. There's week 0 that's due, I think, Thursday night. Class starts Wednesday. The week 0 stuff. In fact, the check-in assignment is what guarantees your spot in class. If you don't do it, you're out of here. And then there's a whole bunch of stuff that's coming up too. So we'll have due dates on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, but that doesn't mean you have to wait until Wednesday, Friday, or Sunday night to do it. In fact, the modules for that week will open up on Sunday at midnight. I would behoove you to like get started Monday morning and work through as much as you can and just try to get as much as it done in advance so that you can ask questions and get help. Okay. I do look forward to getting to know all of you. It's something that I love about teaching at PCC. I think there's an extraordinary student body and some really exciting people I get to meet as in my job as teaching there. So anyway, let's have a good semester, and I hope to meet you more formally soon.